last but not the least, are two very smart girls from Coimbatore. They come from an incubation center where they continue their final year BTech project on a tactile motion-based glove for physiotherapy for trauma. They in this hackathon period they created a wonderful prototype which was so good that they won the award. And we would like to take their innovation further, work further on it, incubate and mentor them further, so that the next round of funding can be from us and hopefully apply them in our health system. And if it requires manufacturing help, MTZ will be very happy to support there as well. So over to Deepika.
Good evening all. I'm Deepika Kavashikran and this is Krishna Shivanand. We are from Forge Accelerator. And our project is like this is a smart glove for physiotherapy. We know that stroke is the third leading cause of death all over the world. So we thought of concentrating on the stroke patients. The available therapy for stroke is that they undergo physiotherapy, but the major disadvantage in that therapy is that we know that 65% of the patients who attack with stroke will have their upper extremity functionalities will not be retained. So we thought of concentrating in upper extremities. So we thought, what is the proper physiotherapy? Lack of proper physiotherapy is the currently available physiotherapy will be a painful thing for the patients, and it is a less engaging one, and it is too expensive for a patient to get treated continuously for 6 months and 1 year for a particular treatment, and shortage of trained professionals. So we thought this as a challenge, and we thought of solving for this. And in the currently available physiotherapy, there is nothing called a DIY physiotherapy, where the patients can care themselves and they can't monitor their recovery. So we thought of creating a digitally monitoring glove, where if a patient is undergoing treatment and after their treatment, they should be knowing how much they have recovered their functionalities. So we thought of creating a glove where if a patient is wearing the glove and they are doing the therapy, they can monitor how much they can recover before doing the therapy and after doing the therapy, so that the physician will be able to assess them for the next therapies. And for continuously monitoring data, we have added a Wi-Fi module so that the data of the patient will be collected and it will be sent to the doctor. And this is the glove which we have done for a prototype. This glove is the hardware part where we have interface sensor where it measures the movement, that is the degree of the movement and the values here. And this data we are going to interface it with a game, where the game is going to be designed based on the physiotherapy treatment. The first level of the game will be based on the first 2 movements of their physiotherapy. And if the patient is able to regain that movement, then the next level will be increased. And the impact of our product is a computer-aided process, that is, it is a game interface with the glove where we are going to measure the how much recovered, and it is going to assess with them the exercises. And it is an automated monitoring, and gamification is the treatment there. We are going to do it with a real-time monitoring thing, and the data analytics is also going to be available. And this is the sample game which we had there with Unity 3D software, which is an open software. And this is the future glove design which we are trying to do, where we have 2 concepts now. The first concept is like we are going to design it like a wearable thing, and the next one is like a strap, because all stroke patients will not have the similar hand. So it differs on the patient. So to make them comfortable, we thought of designing it with a strap model where the sensors will be interfaced at the top. And this is the MUP's business model, where our problem, benefits and the tech spec is be defined. We concentrated on the problem of CVA, that is cerebrovascular accident, that is stroke, and benefit is going to be the continuously monitoring the patient's recovery. And for future, we thought of designing it with an silicone rubber skin and timer.
So we thank our very interesting presentation. They were one of our major contestants and only among one of the winners who thought of a revenue model also. So basically they have planned how to make money in a year's time. So when 2 smart girls freshly graduate have a revenue model better than our manufacturers have planned for us, so we know we are doing something right. So congratulations, thanks a lot. We will be very happy to fund and support you with this as well, including the testing. Thank you. So this concludes our this session. Before we sign off, any final comments, Madam, Sir? Any final concluding comments? Concluding and festival. We hope, like our normal festivals, which have a religion behind it.
Once you're done with your session, elect team moderator will come.
Yes, election. So we hope and pray that a team from Coimbatore, Bangalore and Vizag, including participants from Delhi, have come together and provided health solutions for our state. We hope this to be a regular exercise like any other festival, and pray more and more participants to come up and contribute to us. And with the support of device manufacturers as well as incubation leaders in the field, we hope it will be bigger than a bigger annual event. Thank you.